welcome back to my channel. We are going to be doing another facial self-tanner review today, and for today's facial self-tanner we're going to be reviewing the Bali face tan water. I have been dying to try this forever, and I mean like since I tried the Bali body self-tanner, and I loved it so much, and so I kept hearing great things about this. So I am finally getting around to trying it. I know it's been a little too long of a wait, but here we are. Before I start getting into all the juicy details and trying this on for you guys, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for me. I really appreciate it if you do, so please make sure to do that. But if you want to see my review and demo of the Bali face tan water, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. It came in this cute little package. I'm just gonna open this up. So this is what the actual packaging looks like. So the liquid is like this almost like yellowy green color, and then the cap is like that classic Bali kind of like nude color. So really pretty, really simple packaging, which I like. And it's like a plastic, I think. It says it is 100 milliliters or 3.4 ounces, which actually seems like quite a bit of product. So I'm not complaining. That is awesome. If this stuff is good, 3.4 ounces is gonna last a while. That's all it says on the front. On the back, it says, a gradual self-tanning water. Achieve a flawless, natural-looking tan with our easy-to-apply, fast-drying, and super hydrating tanning water. Designed for face, neck, and décolleté. BB Face Tan Water develops within 4 to 6 hours and is enriched with nourishing oils and anti-aging benefits such as jojoba oil and sodium hyaluronate. Contains rose water for a fresh pick-me-up scent. Say hello to a glowing summer skin year-round. Sorry guys, this bottle is like see-through, so I really had to get in there to read it, and you know my eyesight is not the best, so it's a struggle. But basically, it sounds awesome, and like I said, if it's anything like the body self-tanner, the mousse, then I'm gonna love it. I have high hopes for this already. But for the directions, it says, for best results, apply face tan water to exfoliated, clean, dry skin, just like a toner. Use a cotton pad to apply. Apply all over face. Ensure you apply enough face tan water per application to see a thin liquid layer on your skin. Wait for your BB face water to dry before applying any moisturizers. I already did. I have to take off my moisturizer. Apply 2 to 3 times per week for the perfect glow. Okay. So I don't know why I just thought it would be a good idea to put moisturizer on, so I'm gonna take that off right now. I'm gonna wash my face really quick, and I'm gonna grab some cotton pads, and I will be right back. I'm back. I just washed my face and made sure that it is totally dry. So I'm just taking off the wrapping on the cap. By the way, guys, this goes for $29.95, so pretty much in the same price range as the rest of the self-tanners that I've been trying. They've all been in like the 20s, 30s, 40s range, mostly around 30. So not surprised, pretty average I guess for facial self-tanners. So it says to use it like a toner. So I'm not gonna spray it directly on my face like I did with the last tanning water that I used. I'm gonna spray directly onto a cotton pad. Oh, it's not even a spray. Okay, so I'm really not gonna spray it on my face. It literally comes with like a pump. So it's literally gonna come off onto here like a foundation would. So that makes a lot more sense, and it's gonna be a lot less messy than it would be if it was a spray. So I'm not disappointed. I'm kind of happy about this actually. So that was a nice surprise. It's a pump. So I'm just gonna pump it on to one of the sides of the Q-tip, and I'm crazy, so I do a lot. I want to saturate this, the middle of it, and I'm just starting on my forehead. All right, it's been applied all over my face, and with the amount of like times that I squeeze the thing onto the pad, it felt super, super saturated in there. And like when I was applying it felt really wet, which I really like because then I feel like I'm applying every little millimeter of my face. I'm not missing any spots. And I really tried to go over everything and make sure that I was covering all my bases. I got my hairline, I got my ears, underneath. Guys, last time I applied self-tanner, I literally missed like a little spot right here and I just had like this pale patch right under my chin. It was so bad. So that was fun. I really tried to make sure that I didn't do that again this time. So here's to hoping I didn't miss a spot here again. Fingers crossed. I also want to say my skin has literally just been hating me more and more and more lately. I feel like every time I get on camera, I'm like, oh, sorry, my skin is so bad today. And it's just getting worse, you guys. So I think like in a couple days, once this facial self-tanner starts to come off, I'm gonna just like really do a deep dive into my skincare and just exfoliate the crap out of my skin and just really take care of it because it's not loving me right now. This is not cute. But it is what it is. It happens to us all, so whatever. What can I do about it? But yeah, so far I really like this. And I also really like that this didn't have a smell to it whatsoever. Like I always say, I appreciate more if a product doesn't have a scent rather than having like a good smelling one, because especially when it's on your face, it can get a little bit annoying and sometimes give you a headache if there's like a strong smell that's there all day. So I always appreciate when a product doesn't smell like anything. So far, I don't really like notice a color on me either. Like I don't see any tint or anything, which is totally fine with me. Like you guys already know, when it comes to a facial self-tanner, that is fine with me. It's just the body ones that I have a problem with when they're clear. But I really like the concept of applying it like a toner. I really love like sprays too, but I also feel like that can get a little bit messy. Like it'll get like in your hair, which I already apply in my hairline because I wash my hair the day after. But still, if you're not washing your hair the day after, it's kind of messy. And it may get like on your clothes if you're wearing like a shirt. But this, since you're directly like pumping it out onto a pad and then applying it that way, it's literally like you're applying a toner onto your skin. So it's like a nice way to remember to use this because it's literally just like another piece of skincare in your collection. So I really like the concept of it. I really like the consistency of it. It's not sticky. Maybe there's like a teensy weensy bit of stickiness to it, but it's nothing that's bad and nothing that bothers me. So I like how it feels. I feel like it wasn't thick, but it wasn't thin, you know? Like it was just like a really nice consistency. I love that there's no smell. The price is like the standard price, like 30 bucks. So nothing new there. I really like the applicator of it. I really like the size of it. I just think overall so far it's really nice. As usual though, I'm applying late at night, so I'm going to be sleeping on it. It says it develops over 4 to 6 hours, so perfect. I'm gonna sleep with it overnight. It'll probably be more like 8, 9 hours. And then I will wash it off, let it develop a little bit more, and then I will show you guys the final result. I'm hoping that it gets me some nice color. Pray for me. And I will catch up with you guys tomorrow to show you the final result and give you some more opinions on what I think about it. Welcome back, ladies and gents. What do you think of my new tanned face? So right off the bat, I'm in love with it. Full disclaimer though, I do have to say, once I finished filming yesterday, I applied one more coat of the self-tanner. So I did 2 coats of it total. I don't know what came over me, but like as soon as I got off camera, I was like, dang, I want to put more of it on. So that's what I did, and I think it turned out really perfect. I think my skin just looks super like I just walked off the beach, like a healthy glow, and I'm so obsessed with it. And I'm not wearing any foundation. I literally just spot concealed a few blemishes, more than a few, that I had on my face, and then I did my brows. I put some lipstick on. lip gloss, and I did my eyelashes, but other than that, I have no other makeup on, nothing as far as like coverage goes. So this is like what my actual skin looks like, and I feel like I don't even need a foundation because it gave me a really, really good color. So I am extremely happy with this. So I love the color. I love the fact that this is a pump and you like squeeze it out onto a pad and use it like a toner. I feel like I say this a lot, but like that makes it a lot easier to kind of incorporate into your skincare routine, because this is probably another like product that you would be using every 2 or 3 days. So you want to make sure to remember to do it, and I feel like that just makes it easy to remember. So I really, really like that. I really liked the consistency of it. Like I said, like it wasn't crazy thick, but it wasn't like water light either. So it had like that nice kind of balance in between. I also really, really like that there's not really any smell to it. I really appreciate when products don't have smells to them. I always say this, but I'd rather have no smell than a good smell, because I can be a little bit sensitive to smells sometimes, and sometimes they do give me a headache if the smell is too strong. So it's always appreciated when it's scent free. It made no mess. It wasn't sticky throughout the night. I was trying to pay attention and like touch my face to see if it would like stick or anything. Nothing, it was perfect. I washed my hands right after the application and a little bit got on them. I don't know if you could see my fingertips, but that's okay. That'll come off the palms of my hands and my fingertips like today probably, because I've been washing my hands like crazy. It says that this one lasts 6 months, so just like a couple of the other ones I have, I'm not worried about it because I love it. So I will probably be using it a few more times, and I'm gonna make my sister use it. I'm gonna make my mom use it. I'm gonna make everybody use it. I'm gonna make everybody use all of them because I love these facial self tanners so much. But I literally don't have anything bad to say about it, and I think that's pretty much all I have to say. This color just speaks for itself. Let me know what you guys think. Comment. Let me know what you think of the color. I feel like this is such a nice tan. It's not like right as dark as like my hands are, which is fine because typically my face is not as dark as the rest of me, but I feel like it's pretty close, definitely close than it was yesterday. So I'm very happy with this, and like I don't even know if the camera is doing it justice, but in real life, you can really, really tell that I have a nice tan to me. It's a huge difference from yesterday. Like I said this last week too in my video, but like yesterday comparing to today, like yesterday I was just looking like pale and washed out and just not cute. And then today I look like I'm bronzed. I just came back from vacation. I want to talk to you about my trip. Like, I look good today. So I'm feeling good. I'm probably not gonna put any makeup on today unless I decide to film another video for you guys. We'll see, but I am feeling the no makeup today. Like I didn't need foundation, even just no foundation, a brow, I'm looking good. So I'm feeling good. So this was a very, very good one, and I didn't expect any less because it is Bali Body. I absolutely loved the mousse. You guys know this. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. This is really good. I definitely recommend trying it if you haven't already, especially if you're someone that likes this kind of an applicator, like a pump kind of thing. It's really easy, no mess. I really, really like it. So I definitely recommend. But that's all I have for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope it was helpful in getting you to decide whether or not you're considering it, or if it helped you on your search for a facial tanner, because as you know, every week we're always on the search for a go-to facial self tanner or a body self tanner. I love talking about tanning. I love being tan, so that is what we do. But make sure to comment down below. Like I said, let me know what you think about this self tanner, this week's choice. I want to hear your thoughts, you guys. Please make sure to give this a huge thumbs up for me. I really, really appreciate it if you do. make sure to share with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel. Again, that means the world to me, so please subscribe, stay tuned, and I will see you in the next video.